name is Kerry Coleman. I'm one of the bartenders here at Red Square inside the Mandalay Bay on the famous Las Vegas Strip. Today we're going to learn how to make an Alabama Slammer using cherry vodka. It's a build cocktail. Start off with your rocks glass. A half ounce of Southern Comfort, a half ounce of sloe gin, and that's followed with a half ounce of amaretto. We're going to use Di Serrano this time. And then refill that with orange juice. Now you can either make this as a cocktail or you can also make this into a shot if you'd like. A little straw. And there you have it. Again, I'm Kerry Coleman here at Red Square, Las Vegas. Stop by sometime. Thank you.